Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I have a bunch of these little snowflakey ball things. I don't know the proper name for it, but it's like the one that you use for bunny tails. And I want some to be red, but I don't have any red ones, so instead of buying them, I'm just gonna color them with a regular red colored marker. It's not like a special alcohol um marker, like Copier marker. It's just like the cheapest red marker that I have. I'm gonna color a few in red and see how that turns out. So I wanna see how else I can use this, um, these little fur balls. And I did a few, and look at my hand. It's still clean because I used that tweezer, and it's also really clean, really easy to clean your surface after. So I have this brown paper that I cut with this I can't say impression, it's like a whole things that just give it an extra accent. I thought it came out really good. Glue it. I think one of my superpowers is being able to put things very straight in the middle and very accurately right in the middle. So with the pencil, I'm gonna draw a circle to help me guide to where I'm gonna glue these fur balls. And I'm making a wreath. I first did this with the glue I always use, but it did not work. So after gluing all of these on, I redid them with the tacky glue and it was so much better. So the glitter art glue is not for these little balls. It's for everything except this. I am sneaking in a couple of reds here and there, and I'm actually gonna do 2 layers of this. And after that, I redid the whole thing again, and now I'm only using tacky glue for these, and it sticked very, very well. It took a little longer to dry, but it was worth it. Came out very nicely. Um, this is a really good idea to color them with the red marker if you don't want to go and buy separately different colors, and then you can get creative with it. And the last one just in here. Perfect. And then I have these ribbons. I got this from Aliexpress, super cheap, but a ton of color of it. And I'm cutting a few inches, like I think it was like 6 inches. Tie a knot, and around it I'm gonna tie a bow. I know that most people tie their bows differently, but this is how I learned it. And I'm just trying to make sure that both of the bow sides are the equal. And then I'm gonna cut off the end on the longer part, just making sure it's equal, looking good. You could buy these already made, folded in for you perfectly. But if you need a bow, this is an easy way to make them. There is a different type of bow that people use for Christmas packaging that you can even curl. This is not the type, unfortunately, but that would look also very, very nice. I have these rhinestone line, so all of these are all together, which is big help. So I don't have to do them one by one, and this will look like it's holding it. So this kind of looks like a door. I have this really cute sentiment I really liked. It's the perfect size, and I'm gonna stamp this freehand using black ink, and it did not turn out well. And now I know why. Because the brown paper is not straight. just paper, so it's a little bit textured, if you can see. So I just went over with a very thin black marker. That was an easy fix, nothing to over stress about, luckily. So it was an easy fix, but if I would have done it with a different color, then I might have been in trouble. But it came out really good. I think it's very simple, very creative. This is next day. The color of the red went down a little bit, but it's still really cute. I think it's a really good idea. Very easy to make, very low cost, and pretty quick. And I think it's something that kids could make because it doesn't involve a lot of tools or anything complicated. Okay, I hope you like this video. There should be an open giveaway going on right now. We are so close to Christmas. Merry Christmas.